Welcome, my name is Marla Turgeon and I'm your Sandberg librarian. You'll be using the library's databases for your research essay assignment. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to search a database using the basic search. I'm going to work in the Gale Academic One File database today. Gale is one of our database vendors, and this one is a good general database that covers many disciplines. So I want you guys to notice that this database opens to a simple search box. I'm going to type in the keywords Gran Torino. Now before I go on, I want to show you this. Don't let the database autofill. The autofill suggestions will only search specific fields and you can lose results because of it. You see, articles in databases are indexed and contain fields for us to search in. Some of these fields are date, title, text, abstract, which is the summary of an article, and the subject field. If you use the autofill, it ignores searching for your keyword within the text of articles. So let's get back to the search. Now notice at the top of the results page, there's different types of results that you can get. There's academic journals, magazines, news articles, and images. Now, don't ignore those spaces. You may find some good information there down the road. But for today, I'm going to stay with academic journals. As you can see, I have a lot of hits on these results. So I'm going to go back up to the search bar and I'm going to put in another keyword. I'm going to use the word "and" between the two keywords. This tells the database to include both of those keywords in the search results. Okay, and here's our results. I want you guys to remember that we had 18 results here. I'm going to show you a filter that can do the same thing later on in this video. But first, I'm going to take the "and" racism out of the search query. And next, I'm going to use the filter your results helpers, on the right-hand side of the page. I want to show you the publication date first. You probably won't need it for this class, but if you need to narrow your results by date, then this filter is really great. Note the preset dates that you can use down here, or take advantage of those date helpers. Now I want to show you the subject filter. Remember I told you about fields before. This is a spot where you can tell the database what subject you want the article results to be about. Subject fields are like internet tags. They tell us what the main subject of the article or information presented is about. And here I'm going to choose "Among Americans." And now you can see that the database gave me the subject for my article results. But not all of these articles contain both Gran Torino and the Hmong culture. Most of them are about Hmong Americans, and we want articles about both. Sometimes that can be the problem with the subject filter, so keep that in mind. So I'm going to go back to my main search, and the way that I can do that is to click on the X next to the subject terms in this Applied Filters section. Okay, so for the next filter, a lot of times you might see in your results different types of documents. For example, you could have a lot of book reviews that are crowding your results, okay? So to get rid of those, go to this document type filter. And I could choose article and brief article and critical essay. I'm not going to today, but I just wanted to show you this. Now with the publication title filter, this one lets you find content by its publication source. If you know the name of a source, then it might be here for you. You can choose it. I generally don't use this filter. You can try it out if you'd like. Next is the search within filter, and I'm going to type in racism here again. You can show it popped up. This is the one time I will use the autofill. And we'll click submit. Now, I want you to notice over here, we had the 18 results. Now, these are the same results we got when we used the and, then typed in racism in the basic search bar earlier. Sometimes it's better to add that second keyword using this filter because you could have missed some valuable results before. Now, when I search, I like to start with a larger amount of results and then I slowly chip away at them just to be sure that I'm going in the right direction with my searches and to make sure I don't miss some really good information out there. So that's it for this Gale database for the basic searches. There's a lot of other database vendors out there that you might use in the future. They all generally do the same things with those filters. So just take your time and look around and get acquainted with the interface. Don't be afraid of it. There's no way you're going to break it. If you need some extra help with searching for your resources, please feel free to contact me. My contact information is in the Ask a Librarian section of your Moodle course. Thanks and have a great day.